go nowhere. Let's create. Now, with the cream of coconut, you can actually replace it and make your own cream of coconut. And that's the portion I'm going to show you how to do. So what you're going to need is a can of coconut milk, 14 ounces, and about 1 3/4 or 1.5 or 1 3/4 of the sugar. Yes, I know, it's a lot. And that gives you an idea how much sugar the cream of coconut has. So when you open the can, you must see something a little bit solid. Don't worry, don't be scared. Just shake it a little bit so it liquefies a little bit. So get a pot, turn the heat on. I had it high, then I reduced it high to get this warm, but now I have it toward the low, a couple notches above low. So you add the coconut milk, all your 14 ounces. Shake it up a little bit. And then you add your sugar or your sugar replacement. I'm telling you, it's a lot. And remember to add a pinch of salt, just a little bit. And you let it go. You let it cook until the sugar somewhat dissolves. Bingo. So it took a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, probably less. It's ready. Turn this off. Let me transfer it to a container. Get things ready. Here's the texture. I'm going to put it aside, let it cool down for a little bit longer. And you could have used stevia too, to keep it glucose friendly, like diabetic friendly. Assuming you believe stevia is diabetic friendly, you have to do your research. Once again, I use this one, a plant-based sugar alternative. But you know what? If you would want to do your homemade cream of coconut, you could have used just coconut milk and sugar and done the same steps.